Are you tired of the monotonous 9 to 5 grind, dreaming of a life where you can break free and take control of your own destiny? Well, get ready to unlock the secrets of a digital gold mine and step into the captivating world of affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, we're about to reveal the game-changing strategies and insider insights that will empower you to build a thriving online empire and achieve financial freedom. Picture this: a life where you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, where you have the power to dictate your own schedule, and where your income is not limited by a fixed salary. That's the incredible potential that awaits you in the realm of affiliate marketing. Now, that being said, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing for beginners, let me share a little secret with you. If you're eager to discover the easiest way to start making daily affiliate commissions, then click the link below. It's a proven system that will fast-track your success and provide you with step-by-step guidance. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's specific strategy. So the very first step is we want to go over to clickbank.com and we want to create a free account. Now, ClickBank is an amazing place and platform where you can find tons of different affiliate products and programs that you can actually promote and start to earn commissions. Now, once you've signed up, the next step is we want to click Marketplace and we want to choose categories that you want to promote. Now, there's many different categories. You can do health and fitness, you can do dating. You want to choose one of those categories that are popular that you can start to find products to promote. Now, once you find a product that you want to promote, one that looks enticing, one that looks attractive, you want to copy the link and the titles. Now, once you've copied that link, the next step is we want to go over to a site called bit.ly.com. Now, bit.ly.com allows you to shorten links, make affiliate links more attractive. So what you want to do is you want to paste in those links and you want to actually generate and copy this new and shortened unique link because we're going to use it a little bit later in this video. Now, the next step is you want to go to Linktree and you want to sign up. Okay, now what Linktree is, it's a free tool that allows you to add many different links to one link so you can actually promote a lot of different products. So once you're there, you want to actually click Add New Link and you want to paste in the title and the unique links that we actually copied from earlier. Now, once you do that, you want to click Share and then copy your link. Okay, we're going to use this Linktree link that will actually allow us to promote many different offers. The next step is you want to go over to Pinterest.com. For this specific method, we're going to be using free traffic on Pinterest. Pinterest is incredibly powerful. And you want to actually create a business profile account. This is going to allow you to see different stats, see the algorithm and things like that. So you want to go ahead and create that right there. Then once you've done that, now what we want to do is we want to go over to TikTok and we want to find a video related to the product and niche that you decided on. And you want to actually copy the link to the specific TikTok. Okay, so once you find a popular TikTok in that topic, copy the link, and then you want to search sssstick.io. Okay, and what this allows you to do is once you're there, this allows you to actually download that video without a watermark. Okay, so you can go ahead, download that video, and then what we want to do is we want to actually go to pexels.com. Okay, go over to pexels.com, and then what we want to do is we want to search and download a picture that's related to the video. So the video that we just downloaded, we want to find a picture that's attention grabbing, that's captivating, that will really capture people's attention. We want to capture that picture and we want to download it. Then we want to go over to canva.com and we want to edit the video that we downloaded and the picture that you downloaded. We want to save that once it's edited. Okay, so we want to edit it, make sure it looks good, make sure it flows and everything is properly put together. And then we want to save that video from Canva. Then finally, we just want to go back to Pinterest and we want to actually upload that video. So we want to upload it. We want to use the title, put in a keyword, and then ultimately we want to make the link go to Linktree, okay? Because then when people goes there, they'll be able to see a lot of different offers. and then we just click publish and publish that Pinterest video. Well, there we have it. That is just one of many incredibly simple methods you can start using to get traffic and clicks to an affiliate link to start to get sales and commissions. I hope you enjoyed this powerful strategy. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more valuable content. And also, if you want to discover my easiest way to start making daily affiliate commissions, click the link below and check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.